What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This is Mike here with True Shine Cleaning, and I'm here at a repeat customer house. She usually gets her furniture and carpet cleaned at least about once or twice a year. This would probably be my fourth time coming out to this customer's house. If you guys been following me for a while, if you guys see the house and see the setup, pretty sure you will know which house I'm at. Let me show you guys the setup now. Doing everything upstairs. We're in the South St. Louis area right now, so we're doing carpet, we're doing these steps, doing one hallway upstairs, and we're doing a two-piece sectional. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the setup. As you can see, got everything ran, got the carpet, everything vacuumed so far. So right now, he's doing the steps. Doing this. Okay? Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. We vacuum out everything now. I'm finna start getting ready to clean. Okay. So, got everything ran, ready to go. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, slow. Oh. So, we're doing this two-piece sectional. What's up, that boy? All one-sided. So, yeah. Okay. Who's that up there?